So about a year ago, I used to do daily vlogs, or was it weekly vlogs, because I injured my hand and I couldn't do ukulele videos. Do you guys remember the candy jar that Nanoha got candy from? Well, it fell from the top of the fridge and it fell on me, and I have no idea where I'm bleeding from, but there's like blood everywhere. Recently, I've seen a few comments about people saying, oh, you should bring back the vlogs, you should bring them back or whatever. So I thought I'll do one, and if you guys like it and let me know in the comments and with the thumbs up, then I might kind of sprinkle them into my channel sporadically. So let me know if you guys want to see content like this. Hey, good morning. It is Saturday. I have a few things going on today, but the first one is going to be a photo shoot, so I'm going to take you to that. I came to pick up Diana. She's leaving Okinawa this week, so she doesn't have a car anymore, and we're going to head to the photo shoot together. Today, I'm hoping the audio is coming out okay. Diana's shooting right now, and then I'll be next.
My name is Diana. I am an acrylic painter.
Awesome. I'm gonna catch up with them. We'll see you guys in a bit. How's everything? Move this.
Okay.
Just move this part very slowly, and you will be fine. You want landscape or portrait?
Whatever.
Okay, I'll do landscape. Okay, now very gradually thumb the wheel forward. Very slowly. There you go. And then once you're comfortable, you can move it faster. Just...
I'm going places! Dude, I used to work at a skate shop.
Yeah! You want to try it?
God.
Woohoo! It's about 6 o'clock now, and I'm heading down to the capital of Okinawa. Let's see if I can take some footage there. I don't know how this camera will do in like dark or at night. We will see. Too many. Yeah, the traffic was so bad coming down here. Yuriko, thank you. This is so sweet.
You're welcome. You like it? I hope it. Do you like lavender?
Yes, I love lavender.
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's low. But he has no etiquette, you know that.
Yeah, you are. But we both have. Yeah. But we're still losing weight. I'm recording this.
Yeah.
Yes, stay together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I've never eaten this. I'm so glad I got to meet you.
Oh, thank you. We were so much expecting today.
Really?
Yeah, and we have seen you through YouTube.
Did you see it moving, and I thought it was baby worms. I'm not scared. I'm like, no. I'm gonna Where's your business cards, B? Pass them out.
はい、撮ります。
Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my day. I hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!